Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this week's new releases. I'm going to zoom in a bit. This week is going to be a pretty big one, just because I have quite a few things I need to go through. This thing is like really stacked, so I'm going to move this one over to the side. There goes my folder. And I'm going to go through the little freebies. So when you purchase from my shop, you will get a June freebie, except I don't have any because I have used them all up. But you will, if you do check out my Instagram, you will see it on there as well. You will get one of two of these 2025 little freebies. There you are. You get one of those. Did I? I did. Didn't even know that was there. Alright, so you get one of those. You will get obviously the freebie, you will get the little freebie card if you are a new buyer, so that you can put, I've shown you guys before, but you do show you with this older one. It looks something like this, and you'll get the little freebie dot and pop it in the card. Once you filled out the card, let me know, send me a message, let me know so that I can send you something. You'll also get my social card with all of my socials on it. Alright, so there's that. So I've got a few little freebies here. I'm going to do a little detailed video on this as well. So we've got the Marble Planners freebie, Lady Boss Nets freebie, just more of a beauty one, a dash of Sarah's freebie. We've got Plans Maids freebie, Rose Gold Unicorn. I really like this one because it does have the coloured scripts. Also, this here is the June font of the month, which will be ending soon. And then we've got Happy Planet Bex freebie, which I love as well. I think I will be changing them up a little bit just to be a little bit more inclusive, because some people, they got like 3 scripts, but I don't know, it's just what I could do. So I will do a whole video on that soon. Let's jump on in. So first of all, we have the coloured icons. This one is called Maze, so it's just a beautiful yellow. Just love this kind of yellow, and I thought it would go with one of the kits as well. So you can pick up these pages individually or as a bundle with the washi as well, and you can just pick up the washi on its own if you like. The script for this week, I decided to bring back the scripts because I have so many and I have so many more to do. This one is called By Stickers. Give me a sec. So it does come in the 2 sizes, large and small. Let's go through the large. So you've got all of the fonts here. So there's those 2. Then we have a humongous stack of coloured icons. We've got the scales. I'm just going to go through these. You've got the bath. Some of them are a little bit upside down. The oven. They come in rainbow, pastel, pinks and neutral. We've got the balloons. The house. The credit card. Or bank card, whatever you want to call it, the car, and I think after that there's one more, yep, and the dollar sign. So just thought I would bring all those to the shop. That way my binder is kind of getting a little bit more slimmer, and I can bring out the rest that I need to bring out as well. There's quite a few. I've got a couple of hand-drawn icons. I've got the slow cooker, and this one actually does, these 2 have the names on them. And I really love these ones. They're really beautiful. There's those. And then I've also got the laptops as well. Just love this format. I think it's amazing. There's them. Beautiful. And then I've just got some standard icons. So I've got sunscreen, crayons, birthday cake, toothbrush, cake slice, towels 2, and chocolate bar. So I'm going to be getting some use out of those. Moving on to the couple of kits I have. I've just got the full vertical weekly kits, the full kits, because I do have a mini kit and I do have Hobonichi, but I need to get, and B6, and I need to get a few things sorted. So I've got the bright kit, and this one is in the newer format. This one's a reformatted one. Beautiful. I love this box here. It's so pretty. Just one that I made up myself, and again, you can definitely put a few different overlays and things. That's another thing I need to work on, is some overlays. And then you get these as well in the kit. So you get quite a bit, and it's only $16. And when I do that little video, you guys will see that you will get a little bit of a discount if you use my PR girls' names in your order. But again, I'll go through that properly. The next one is called Modern Swirl. I think I just picked these colours because, oops, my bad, sorry about that. I think I just picked these colours because they looked really fresh, you know, at the time. So again, this is something like that. And this one is in the older format. So love this. That purple's really beautiful too. Such a pretty kit. Pretty, pretty. And then you get these little bits as well. And then last but not least, we are going to be moving into the underlays. I have quite a few here, so I'm going to go run through them. So we have Jigsaw 2. We have Solid. We have Abstract Maze, which would be pretty. We have Jigsaw. These are all printed on matte paper because I use them for myself. And we have Zebra. So I thought I'd bring out those to the shop just because there's a few other things that I have released / haven't released, and now I've got to go through everything just to make sure. So yeah, that is basically everything in the shop. I hope that you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on anything or the video about these freebies. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!